Well, greetings everybody. I hope you all did well on this third high volatility day in a row. The pairs positions have been doing quite nicely. This is going to be day 7 of our countdown to 1, which is going to be the start of our course, when the recommendations will become part of the value add when people take the course rather than free. So enjoy them for the next week and a half or so. So today I only did one basket today. Is a big one. It's the upstream basket. It happens to be the basket that has done very well for us over the past year. And after going through that, I did it with 0.8 correlation, 0.8 RW coefficient. Then I ran it with 5 on the back test, 5 minimum winners and 5% edge. When we did that, we come up with a nice little group here. The thing is, we've already opened a position right now that has EOG on one side and SSL on the other, so that eliminates about half these guys. And going through the other ones, the one I've decided to take a look at is the first one here, PDCE versus NBL. We have traded both of the legs of this pair in the past 6 months or so, and both of those trades were successful, but we've never traded them as a pair together. So here we are. Let's go take a look at it in the analysis page. It's a very good picture. That's a very nice picture. Since, let's say here, 2 years, the past 2 years, the mean has been really flat. Okay, very, very flat. Very nice, very nice look. And of course, we would expect a good back test with that. And what we see is a perfect track record on the back test, where it went outside the second standard deviation 6 times and returned to the mean profitably 5. And it is currently outside the second standard deviation right at this moment. So I think I've already put it on the observe list. Let's go take a look over there. So everything looks really good here. It did have a move up the last 2 days, right? So it looks like the first day of the big volatility, it moved down, but the next 2 days in a row, it's been moving up. So probably I'm going to look to put this on right away. Let's go take a look at it in the hitting probabilities. Good strong look on the mean reversion here. Let's run the Monte Carlo simulation. And it's a long, and it's saying that we will be above the current price being minus 9.87, let's call it. We will be above that price 96% of the time, 30 days from now, and a 1.22 expectation value in 30 days. Now that's a big expectation value. I tend to never go more than 10% on the expectation value. And as those of you who watch these recommendations know, this is how we actually select our target prices, from the expectation value. So I suspect we're going to tighten up the expectation value from from this number, but going all the way to the mean, minus 3.57, it says we'll be there half the time in only 23 bars, the mode being 11. So all of these numbers are really are superb. So let's go take a quick run one more time through the analysis page. We're talking PDCE versus NBL. The ratio is 1.72. The correlation is 0.955. RW coefficient is 0.8977. Very, very good numbers. A perfect track record, as we've already taken a look, and a great picture. So this is going to be the recommendation today. PDCE minus 1.72 of NBL. It is a long, so for every share of PDCE that you buy, you're going to sell 1.72 shares of NBL. Good luck with your trading.